Hello everyone, welcome to this guide on choosing your final year project topic wisely. As your supervisor, I'm here to help you craft a project that showcases your skills and set you up for your career. So your FYP is more than just a requirement. It is a chance to explore your passions and make an impact. So today I will walk you through 5 steps to select a topic that aligns with your interests, industry experience, and career goals. Your FYP should align with your interests, skills, and career goals, right? So if your topic doesn't resonate with you, it will be hard to stay motivated. For example, if you're passionate about environmental issues and you want to work in sustainability, you might choose a project and optimizing renewable energy system. Then second is your FYP is a chance to demonstrate your skills and creativity to future employers. So think of it as a portfolio piece, okay? For instance, if you are skilled in Python and creative problem solving, you might develop an AI model to predict the stock trends or showcasing both your technical and analytical abilities. Okay, so a student I supervise created a chatbot for mental health support. So highlighting his coding skills and empathy in addressing real world issues. So use your FYP to show that you are capable of, whether it is coding, design, or critical thinking. Okay. So the first step is to reflect on what excites you. Your FYP is a long-term commitment for 1 year, right? So choosing a topic you are passionate about will keep you motivated, even when challenges arise. Think about the causes of the topic that spark your curiosity. Okay, you need to reflect back on the any causes that excites you most, okay, or any topics that you are interested to do. So for example, maybe you love learning about machine learning in your AI class, or maybe perhaps you were fascinated by the sustainable engineering in your environmental studies module. So you have to ask yourself, what topics excite you in your coursework, or what problems you would like to solve. Okay, so if you are passionate about healthcare, you might consider a project like developing an app to monitor the patient health data, inspired by your interest in the telemedicine. Okay, and you have to align your FYP with your interest. It will keep you motivated. So this is the foundation of what a great FYP will do. Okay. Next is build on your industry exposures. Okay, based on your previous industrial training experience. Okay, you need to reflect on your internship. What did you do in your industrial training? What skills you learned? Okay, so it is a gold mine for your project ideas. Okay, during your internship, you were exposed to the real world tools, technologies, and the challenges. Think about what you learned. What software or the system did you use? What problems did you notice? For example, if you intern at a logistic company and saw how they struggle with delivery route optimization, you could propose a project using algorithm to improve their routing system. So one of my students did internship at the cybersecurity firm and noticed they rely heavily on the manual log analysis. So his FYP developed an automated tool to detect network intrusions using Python. So it is directly inspired by his internship. Okay, so your industry experience gives your project a predicate edge, making it relevant to real world needs. So reflect on your industry training. What skills can you build on? What challenges can your FYP address? Now, let's connect your project to your career goals. Many of you have companies in mind for after graduation, right? So visit their website to understand what they do. Are they working on the cloud computing, IoT, or renewable energy? For example, if you are aiming for a tech giant like Google, check their blog or career page for projects on AI or distributed system. So your FYP can be a bridge to that company, showing your understanding their challenges and technologies. So these steps makes your project a stepping stone to your dream job. So to make your project stand out, research what others are doing. Okay, so you have to use the platform like GitHub, ResearchGate, or IEEE Explore because these are the great places to find the projects related to your field. Okay, so look at what previous students or professionals have done. Okay, but don't copy. Instead, try to identify the gaps or ways to improve. For example, if you find a project on smart home system, could you add a feature like energy optimization? So this step will make sure that your project is innovative. At the same time, you are building on your the existing knowledge. Okay. So finally, let's make your topic is um, to validate and to finalize your topic, right? So you have to consider these three things. The first one is your topic is feasible. It means, can you finish your project on time by using these available resources? Okay. If yes, how about the relevant? Okay. Does your FYP align with the industry trends and your career goals? Okay. Then next one is you need to check on the this FYP offers a new perspective or innovative or giving a solutions to solve a problems. So then if yes means you can proceed with this topic. So make sure that feasible, relevant, and original. Okay, so after that, next step is you have to go and find your supervisor. Okay, in this case, I'm here to help to refine your project ideas. Okay, so we can work together. Maybe for example, a student proposed a project on drone delivery system. So after discussing, we can narrow it to the optimizing drone part for urban areas. So making it more focused and achievable. Okay, you have to schedule a meeting with your supervisor to finalize your topic. So to wrap up, your FYP is your chance to showcase your ideas and your skills that you learned throughout your 4 years of 3 years of studies, right? For computing and for engineering. So make sure that you start early, okay? And stay organized, okay? Stay organized and keep your career goals in focus. These are the things you need to consider. And then based on your industry experience, you have to make your project to be practical and research other projects also to make sure that it is innovative. And then finally, you can use the resources like university library, okay, and company websites and academic journals are there to help you. All right, so thank you for watching, and choosing your FYP is a strategic decision Let's work together to make it count. I'm always here to guide you. All the best and bye bye.